it's your VMG fam. Meron nagbigay sa amin, bigla lang siyang nag-chat sa akin, nanghingi siya ng address, tapos sabi niya may papadala daw siya. At ngayon ay dumating na. At eto siya. Eto siya. Actually, dalawa guys. So ngayon, i-unbox na natin guys. Ang nagbigay nito ay malapit din siya sa akin. Follower ko siya. Follower din niya ako. So, supporter ko siya. Supporter niya din ako. Tapos ayun. Thank you so much ha sa nagbigay nito. Ayaw na niyo pabanggit guys eh. Pero iba-vlog ko pa rin. Let's go unboxing! Sit down na, GD. Let's go unboxing. So, let's do this first. So, guys, this is... It's a power bank! So, power bank nga siya, guys. Let's open. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, GD, can you open? Show it to Mama. Okay. Okay.
Look at that!
Wow, look at that! Sabi dito, power bank na 20 watts.
Wow, look at that!
Okay, let me check. Okay, let's try. Give me your phone, GD. Can I borrow your phone? The purple one? Okay. Ito-try natin guys kung gumagana. Kasi slow ba to, no? Okay, come on here. Come on here. Dito. Okay, let's try guys. Meron siyang 4 na parang charging port. Meron din siya itong pang iPhone. Oh, ito oh. Pero kasi ngayon naka-type C na yung iPhone yun, no? So, marami siyang charging, cord. Let's try this. Type C. Ito ata. Oh, wow! Ayan oh, nakita nyo? It's charging. Ganda. Wow! It's charging, Gigi. Okay, sit down, Gigi. Okay, it's working na. So, let's proceed to the big one. Let's open it.
Hold it
Okay. Hold it, Gigi. Yeah.
I don't know why I'm so
Okay, okay.
Come on.
Okay. This is a big one. You're charging it? Okay. Guys, pasensya na kayo sa tinding ha. Nung binaha kami 2023, pumasok yung tubig. Tapos yung parang langis. Kasi syempre baha eh. So, yung langis, ito siya. Ito yung nagmarka siya. Ay, 2024 lang pala. 25 na pala ngayon. Nagmarka siya. Tapos, after nung baha, syempre naglinis na kami. Naglagay kami ng Zondrox and all, pero hindi talaga siya nawala. Tapos, nadagdagan pa ni, GD. Kasi nagsulat siya dyan, nag-vandalism siya dyan. OMG. Oh, wow! Guys, what's this? Ano sabi? For more information. Ay, for more information. Sige, let's open it. Are you excited? Is it, show them that it's charging. It's a good one. Now, thank you so much, Tita.
It's here.
Okay.
It's over here. It's over here.
Kamay.
Ay, kamay. Kasi ang cute ng aming gunting. Walang pangbili. Oy.
Wow!
Oh, you see that reaction? Sige na. Let's see. What's this?
It's a
Ano ba
bar.
ito? Oh, it's a ring light. Ring feel right. Sabi.
That's what.
Ala. Parang ito. This is the stand. This is a stand, GD.
And this one like a here.
What's that? It's like a remote.
That one is your top.
And this one is the ring. Oh, wow! Oh, what's that? Agoy! Wow! This is the ring, guys.
Look, there's a water. Look, Mama.
Huh?
It'll be the ball.
Yeah. One moment, we need to set up. So, ito guys. Ito na siya. Sa ring light pala siya, guys. No, wala. Thank you so much sa naghatag. Ito, parang gusto ko na mag-live palagi. Kaya, maganda ba to? Ano to? Paano sa mukha ba? Para maganda ang effect. Yung lighting sa fest. Pagka mag-live. Ganda, no? So, isa-set up muna namin ngayon. Tapos, tignan natin kung mag-work or kung ano. Set up muna namin, guys. Sinet up na. Nahirapan sa kalisod. Kay Napoy Bugoy.
Yes.
Okay, is your phone charging?
Yeah.
Where's your phone? Oh, it's charging. Okay, put it there. Walang manual. Nahirapan sa kalisod.
Very careful.
Grabe ang aming ano, pader. Oh, ayan. Setting up. Halos kasing laki kay Gigi na.
I'm liking the open it. You see that?
It's being set up.
Please go.
Okay, excuse me. Oh.
Hello. Hello, Dada. Yeah.
Eto na siya. Eto na siya, guys. Sa labas namin kay medyo ano dito, lamdag. So, eto ang aming natanggap. Power bank and ring light. Wow. Tignan mo, gatukong lagi ko, no? So, that concludes
Let's
for
open it.
today's unboxing
Mama, let's
vlog.
open it.
Okay, later, GD. Goodbye. Say goodbye to my vlog.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.